Hi, I'm Stacy Malone, the Executive Director of the Victim Rights Law Center. The Victim Rights Law Center is the first nonprofit law center in the country to provide legal services to victims of rape and sexual assault. We help over 400 victims of rape in Massachusetts a year. We also have a Portland, Oregon office and help victims in Oregon as well. We use the existing laws to help victims stabilize their education, their employment, their housing, their immigration status. It's really about being creative, using the law to help victims stabilize and rebuild their lives. Rape is a silent epidemic. Sexual assault and rape impact 1 in 5 women and 1 in 33 men. And those are only reported cases of rape and sexual assault. We know that it impacts everyone. It disproportionately impacts youth. Almost half of our clients at the Victim Rights Law Center are under the age of 24 years old. Some of our clients are as young as 4. The Victim Rights Law Center recognizes that sexual violence exists within our classrooms, our neighborhoods, our workplaces, and we use the law to help these victims stabilize and rebuild their lives. The biggest challenge faced by rape and sexual assault victims is not being believed. People don't want to talk about sexual violence, and they don't believe victims when they come forward. It makes it very hard to seek help. We expect rape survivors to just get over it, to move past it. And the reality is this is a traumatic event that has life-changing consequences for an individual. At the Victim Rights Law Center, we can help victims stabilize and rebuild their lives. They shouldn't have to do it by themselves. Jennifer is a client at the Victim Rights Law Center. She had a supervisor who knew where she lived and knew when she took a day off from work. One day, he showed up at her apartment, dragged her inside, and raped and tortured her. One of our attorneys helped her negotiate out of her employment contract so she would no longer work with her rapist, helped her negotiate out of her lease so she wouldn't live in an apartment where she was raped. Today, Jennifer is married, has a family, she works at a great job. At the Victim Rights Law Center, we have lawyers that will help a victim stabilize their life after an assault and truly help them rebuild their lives. The Victim Rights Law Center needs your help. We have lawyers in Massachusetts and in Portland, Oregon, but there are rape and sexual assault survivors in every state of this country, and they need access to a lawyer to get access to justice, however they define it. Sexual violence impacts everyone, and to have a lawyer standing by their side, believing them, and helping them can make all the difference in the world. We ask you to join us in leading a new response to sexual violence.